I thought.
Why are you taking my food?
This on a poster. You know how like a lot of words. Like
Kaya. She can't find it.
hey, come here. Come on.
They think you actually did this?
To see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
My boy.
Shark, you hungry?
You keep biting me like that, I will not play with you.
Oh, I'm sorry. To sit like that.
Playing in the cobwebs, you look like you're wearing a veil. What?
Over these double baked.
What a gentle fight!
Oh, that's good. No. They are my chicken nuggets. No. Oh, darling.
Hello. Hello.
2 times.
Hello, it's me.
What happened?
Go, baby, go. Scare him. Get him, Toast. Get him. Oh, my God.
oh. Hi, how you doing?
I know you're about to bite me.
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
No.
Olha pra cá. Olha pra mim. Olha pra mim.
Percy!
Hey.
Alexa! Alexa!
You're so cute.
Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants.
He's not overeating. I know that. Look at.
Cosa? Whoa! Whoa! Max!
How about we just like. Stop messing with me.
Real. Explain this.
Say yeah.
Hey, girl.
You apologize right now, Yeti girl.
You okay? Was that catnip too much for you?
Catnip. Inspecting.
Georgie.
He's inspecting.
Oh.
You want food?
Ow. To you too.
Show me your toe. What's the big deal? What are you hiding?
Который готов взять себе животное домой.
Come on, no, Chase, move over. No.
Oh my god.
What are you doing in the bathtub?
Oh my god.
What's the wrong way, you
Being naughty.
Oh, she's not. Oh, so sorry about that.
Big man, I need the Xbox on, please.
How dare you?
What is wrong with that cat?
Excuse me?
Не надо. Ты...